So right now we have officially information related to the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Samsung has introduced the three new camera sensor in the Galaxy S25 series. ISOCELL GNJ, a solid 50 megapixel sensor, could be very suitable for the Galaxy S25, S25 Plus. And finally, we have ISOCELL JN5, the new 50 megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens that will come in the Galaxy S25 Ultra. And with the help of ISOCELL JN5, you can shoot a video up to 8K 30 FPS plus better image. And lastly, these three sensors don't require so much power as compared to the previous generation. Now let's talk about the chip. As you guys know, Samsung has decided to use the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 in the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, and this technology very similar to AMD FSR and NVIDIA's DLS. In case you don't know what these terms means, basically in a nutshell, the GPU will be able to upscale the game graphics without any quality difference with this frame generation technology. Galaxy S25 Ultra can apparently run Genuine Impact, a console quality game at 1080p resolution with a constant 120 FPS. Just for a comparison, 24 Ultra runs this game at 720p at 60 frames per second, so this is definitely a huge jump when it comes to graphical power. So if you like my video, give a thumbs up and subscribe